Today's class we discuss about different types of respiration. There are two types of respiration are there. One is aerobic respiration, another one is anaerobic respiration. So both differs by composition of gas, oxygen. That means here usually we are different from animals. That means we and animals are different from some category of organisms. Let's say bacteria. So, in what ways we are differing means here? For example, uh, your mother has prepared idli dough, that means idli mixture, and then your mother will cover it with a lid and puts overnight aside, such that what will happen here? The idli dough, the level will increase slowly, and in the morning, if you see, means bubbles will be formed. So, this is a lacking of oxygen as the lid is covered by total this bowl. So there will be lack of oxygen. Then this type of bacteria will use only carbon dioxide. That means here carbon dioxide is essential for that activity. Here oxygen is not important. Why? Because oxygen is absent in this type of reaction, and such kind of reaction is called as fermentation. Such kind of reaction is called as fermentation. So what is fermentation here? Any respiration that takes in the presence of carbon dioxide is called as fermentation. You might have heard about wine. You might have heard about wine. And this wine will be helpful. That means fermentation is a process through which wine is prepared. For example, grapes are there, corn seeds, maize, wheat. These kind of things will be stored in a closed container, very large drums, by covering the sheet and adding it as a paste individually. That means grape paste, corn means corn paste, maize means maize paste, wheat means wheat paste. Along with the sugar, that paste is along with sugar. Then we can see after few days wine will be formed. Usually this is the step for preparation of wine that will be formed. And this will completely takes place in the absence of oxygen, so that any respiration, if it takes in the absence of oxygen, then it is known as fermentation, or otherwise known as anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. So in exam this concept will be asked. Now can you see here the flowchart is there. The flowchart is very simple here. Whenever you just eat food, food is in the form of carbohydrate, that means glucose. So this glucose will break up into 3-carbon compound called as pyruvic acid. Called as pyruvic acid. So what is this pyruvic acid here? In our body, glucose is turned into pyruvic acid. Here you can see one molecule of glucose turns into 2 compounds of pyruvic acid. What does it mean here? Here we can see. For example, C6H12O6. This is the glucose compound. This in our body it breaks into, here how many carbons are there? 6 carbons are there. That will change into 3 carbon only. C3, C3. So that only we will call it as 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound. This is 3 carbon compound. This is how many such kind of forms are there? 2 are there. Can you see here how many such kind of carbons are there? Nearly 2. And this, depending upon availability of oxygen and carbon dioxide or absence of oxygen, it performs differently. Same here also. This is this part, this is this part. This classification you can see 2 here 2. So glucose pyruvate 3 carbon compound will convert into 3 carbon compound due to absence of oxygen, due to presence of oxygen. Absence of oxygen is known as anaerobic respiration or fermentation, and presence of oxygen is known as aerobic respiration. And in absence of oxygen here, usually what will happen, lactic acid will be formed, and that is the best example for lactobacillus. And here ethanol is formed, and best example it is yeast. With yeast only ethanol is formed, that means wine is formed. Ethanol is one form of alcohol. Wherever in chemistry if you find OH, it is alcohol. Wherever you find OH, it is alcohol. Next here, 2 types of respiration is there. This flowchart is very simple and gains 2 marks in your exam. Very simple. You can see glucose pyruvate into energy. That means this process is called as glycolysis. That means you are eating food, you are taking oxygen, then it converting into glucose. The food is converting into glucose, and then next this glucose converts into 2 types, 3 compound carbon compound product called as pyruvic acid, one more pyruvic acid. If pyruvic acid is getting oxygen, means yes, energy is produced huge in humans. If oxygen is not there, carbon dioxide is there, energy is very less, and it produces lactic acid or ethanol. Understood? So here flowchart you can see glucose convert into pyruvic acid, and that pyruvic acid in absence of oxygen will form lactic acid and ethanol. In presence of oxygen forms carbon dioxide, water, energy. And this best example is plants and animals. Understood? And if you remember, in presence of oxygen means high energy is released. In absence of oxygen, low energy is released. Very low energy is released. And here one question is there. Can energy be released without oxygen? Yes. By fermentation. By fermentation. And here if we discuss, can energy be released without oxygen? Means yes. After undergoing strenuous exercise, we feel pain in muscles. Does adequate oxygen reach the muscles? What is being formed in the muscles? To answer this question here, you are going to a running competition here. You are in the running competition. So what will happen? You will be going on running very fastly. You will be going on running here. Due to that, what will happen? Whatever you have taken oxygen by that time, the oxygen goes on decreasing, so that you also cannot able to run, and your body becomes weak. Why your body is becoming weak means, here is a very important mechanism that in starting you have breathed very greatly with oxygen, but as you are increasing the speed in the running competition, your oxygen demand increases. Your oxygen demand increases. Why? Why? Because there is less oxygen. That less oxygen is called as oxygen debt. So in our body, in running, during running competition here, we will be having a oxygen debt. That means less oxygen supply will be there. So what will happen? We need much oxygen to survive. And in this process, what will happen here? Breath rate increases. That means inhaling, exhaling very fastly will increase. During this time, what will happen here? The person will experience pain in their muscles, in his or her muscles. That muscle get pain. Why? Because due to less oxygen, what will happen? There is an acid called as lactic acid. Lactic acid will be produced. Lactic acid will be produced due to less oxygen supply. And due to that less oxygen supply, we get pain. So, if you imagine and if you experience, after running is completed, you will feel much pain in your muscles. Why? Because lactic acid is produced. Understood? This we can understand by the coming example. Athlete, strenuously the athlete will do the exercise here. So, what will happen? In the starting time, oxygen will be high, and after reaching to certain distance or the complete running competition is completed, then what will happen here? Oxygen decreases. First oxygen will be high, and later oxygen decreases. Due to this decreased oxygen, what will happen? Our body cannot get oxygen, so there will be decrease in oxygen. Why? Very fastly our oxygen is consuming by our body cells due to heavy work. Remember, heavy work if you do means oxygen will try to decrease, and that decreased oxygen will result in oxygen deficit. The term is known as oxygen deficit. Due to that oxygen deficit, there will be high demand to take oxygen. Understood? And this oxygen deficit is otherwise called as oxygen debt. That means decreased oxygen. Oxygen debt. Understood? So understand properly so that only you can remember these topics. Without understanding, just listening means no one can do. Here with easily pictures also I am making here. So it is your duty to understand the concepts. Again and again, no one will say. It is your duty. Everything is available. Internet is there. Classes are there, and everything is available to you. So without anyone's interest, only PUBG you have learned now. Had anyone given coaching? No, no one have given. That means here, whatever is interested, you are showing interest at that region. PUBG. But education, these many years you learned, and you can understand in which manner if you read means you can understand the topics. Understood? So not understanding means here PUBG game will you are installing. No one knows about this game. So who made you to learn this game so perfectly here? Or not only PUBG, anything phone if you catch means you will be watching all the game videos or all comedy videos, everything. Who made you to learn mobile here? You need to show interest, otherwise no one will make you to gain interest. So we will go to this topic here. At that time, what will happen in our body when oxygen is decreasing? Everywhere in the muscles, lactic acid will be storing. That lactic acid will say that pain will be getting. That means when lactic acid is produced in the muscles, pain will be getting. So how to decrease that pain here? How to say that lactic acid is produced? Lactic acid is produced when oxygen is decreased. That is universal fact. When oxygen, that means here on a burning fire, if you pour water, then the fire will be stopped. How that we will know? It is a universal fact. Same like that, oxygen also will be decreased, then lactic acid will be more. That can be seen in our blood samples. Immediately if we take blood samples here, then it will be making. So researchers has also conducted several experiments to know then how lactic acid will be produced here. This we will observe by this map. this graph, you can see here on x-axis you can see time in minutes, and on y-axis you can see concentration of lactic acid in blood mg per centimeter cube. So this will explain you that lactic acid production. Can you see here a person, for example here we are discussing from A to B, you can see a person is running very fastly. Till here what happened, he got a strain. Why? By that time he run nearly 5 kilometers till here, and after running 5 kilometers here his body developed a high increase of lactic acid. Then body understood that heavy pain is getting due to overproduction of lactic acid. Then immediately what will happen, from 5th kilometer the person will run very slowly. Why? Because by that time his speed decreased. That means here he is getting chance to take oxygen now freely. When the time he starts taking oxygen, slowly lactic acid also decreases. Why? Oxygen and lactic acid are enemies. If oxygen increasing, lactic acid decreases, and it decreases. At some point of time he will just sit. That means the athlete will sit for rest. During resting time, we know that we take a relaxing oxygen. When oxygen is entering into our body, then lactic acid goes on decreases. This is what the importance of graph. Very simple here. When we are running here, startingly lactic acid will be slow, and after that we run very fastly, and that we will stop suddenly due to pain. At that time, if we check lactic acid in our blood, it will be in high position. Immediately when we sit or take rest, then again lactic acid will goes on decreasing. This will determine that the effects of vigorous exercise and the concentration of lactic acid in our blood. If we do vigorous exercises, for example you are stepping down from a very big apartment, then you are doing very vigorous exercise here. At that time your breath rate increases, and also lactic acid increases. Then you will step down and relax well. After that this will decrease. And there are some questions are there. Try to answer the questions for them. What was the concentration of lactic acid in the blood to start with? So to understand this question here, you can see here. They are asking here, what was the concentration of lactic acid during the starting of the running competition? It is less. Understood? It is less. It is very less. What was the greatest concentration reached during the experiment? It was, we can calculate here, nearly 100 mg per centimeter cube. Nearly 100 mg per centimeter cube. Very larger. Next, if the trend between C and D were to continue at the same rate, how long might it take for the original lactic acid to be reached again? There is a hint here, extend the CD until it reaches the starting value. So, they are asking here, how long will it take CD if we prolong? So, CD if we prolong means like this, we need to prolong. Finished. And here also we are prolonging this. As this is 60, this is 70, 80, 90. 90 minutes. Understood? It is about 90 minutes. What does high level of lactic acid indicate about the condition of respiration? It indicates less oxygen. So always lactic acid is inversely proportional to oxygen. When oxygen increases, lactic acid decreases. When lactic acid increases, oxygen decreases. This is the thing here, and we just see one more thing. accumulation of lactic acid and how it is removed from excess. First, how lactic acid is produced, if we know, means then we can how we can decrease also we can know. Accumulation of lactic acid will be done by vigorous exercises. By vigorous exercise, maximum exercises. If you do running, jogging, and doing heavy works, coming from the steps and getting down from the steps, so we'll be getting. And how we can remove that? Just relaxing and breathing. Just breathing, relaxing and breathing. If we do that, then decreases. Opposite here, lactic acid decreases when oxygen increases. Understood? A very simple thing here. When lactic acid increases, then oxygen is decreasing here. When lactic acid is decreasing, then oxygen is increasing here. Quite opposite. And we just see the respiration versus combustion here. So there is an important issue, and this in the next coming class we shall discuss. Understood? So this is all for today. Have a good day ahead.